friends, I am Sheetal and welcome back to Target Study YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about one such course that has assumed huge importance due to prevailing COVID-19 pandemic. In this grave situation, everybody was eyeing towards someone who could make a vaccine to control this deadly virus from affecting world population. Although it took us more than a year, but thankfully, a scientist better known as microbiologist could find some, and now we are in the process of taming this deadly virus that have already infected millions in the entire world. One thing that our world has learned is that we need much more such professionals who could keep the world safe from these biological organisms, and one such course that can help to produce these professionals, microbiologist, is M.Sc Microbiology. And if you are interested to do M.Sc Microbiology, do watch this video till the very end. As in this video, I'm going to tell you about various facts of M.Sc Microbiology, better known as Masters of Science in Microbiology course. By the end of this video, you will definitely be able to get answers to all of your obvious questions, like what exactly M.Sc Microbiology course is, what are the required eligibility conditions to join M.Sc Microbiology course, what are the skills required to do M.Sc Microbiology course, what is the course curriculum or syllabus of M.Sc Microbiology course, how to join M.Sc Microbiology course, which are the reputed institutes to do M.Sc Microbiology course, what is the fee structure of M.Sc Microbiology course, what are the career prospects and job opportunities after completion of M.Sc Microbiology courses, what is the expected salary or pay package after doing M.Sc Microbiology degree, which are the top recruiters of M.Sc Microbiology degree holders, and much more. So guys, let us start with a very basic question. And that question is, what exactly M.Sc Microbiology course is? Microbiology is the study of microscopic organisms such as bacteria, viruses, archaea, fungi, and protozoa. This discipline includes fundamental research on the biochemistry, physiology, cell biology, ecology, evolution, and clinical aspects of microorganisms, including the host response of these agents. And M.Sc or Master of Science in Microbiology is a 2-year postgraduate degree program consisting of 4 semesters. M.Sc Microbiology is a detailed dynamic subject as it combines chemistry and biology for the investigation of living system and the relationship with the environment. M.Sc Microbiology is a combination of both theoretical and practical knowledge of the subjects concerned and covers the study of microorganisms and their effect on humans. Now you would like to know the eligibility conditions to join M.Sc Microbiology course. Aspiring candidates must have passed their bachelor's degree or equivalent in any of the 2 subject combination among respective subjects like agriculture and horticulture, dairy sciences, biochemistry, biotechnology, fisheries, home science, human genetics, microbiology, nutrition and dietetics, public health, plant protection and zoology from a recognized university, preferably with a minimum of 50 to 55% marks. Along with fulfilling these eligibility conditions, you must have certain set of required skills to be able to do M.Sc Microbiology course, like ability to take challenges to resolve issues, great communication skills to work in a team, ability to think clearly and logically, have good leadership skills, be able to work with statistics and relevant computer packages, good observation skills and high level of accuracy, capability of performing activities such as perform shake flask studies, strain improvement, fermentation process development, media optimization, etc. Grip on chemistry, mathematics, biology, physics, and verbal skills. Besides the ability to identify, select, organize and communicate information, and work as a part of a small team, recognizing the opinions and views of all members of the team. If you are really looking to do M.Sc Microbiology course, then the knowledge of admission process is a must. Admission in M.Sc Microbiology course in most of the reputed microbiology institutes is done on the basis of institute, state, or national level entrance exams. Candidates can avail admission to M.Sc Microbiology program by successfully clearing any of the entrance exams. However, some lesser reputed institute may also provide admission on the basis of marks secured in the qualifying class. Some of the popular M.Sc Microbiology entrance exams are Delhi University Entrance Test, Banaras Hindu University Postgraduate Entrance Test, Indraprastha University Common Entrance Test, Jawaharlal Nehru University Entrance Examination, and Birla Institute of Technology and Science Admission Test, etc. Now you would like to know the syllabus of M.Sc Microbiology course. M.Sc Microbiology curriculum, which covers various aspects of the programs including biostatics, immunology, virology, etc., is covered in 2 years divided into 4 semesters. Every candidate who is enrolled in this program must also go through multiple research papers and laboratory sessions. In M.Sc Microbiology Semester 1, you will study subjects like molecular biology, microbial diversity, microbial metabolism, enzymology, biostatistics and lab. Whereas M.Sc Microbiology Semester 2 consists of subjects like virology, bacteriology, mycology and phycology, DNA technology, bioinformatics and labs. M.Sc Microbiology Semester 3 usually consists of subjects like environmental microbiology and waste management, infection immunity and diagnosis, microbial genomics, intellectual property rights and ethical issues. In M.Sc Microbiology Semester 4, you study subjects like host-pathogen interaction, food microbiology, fermentation technology and dissertation too. Now you would like to know about the fee structure of M.Sc Microbiology course. The course fee for M.Sc Microbiology varies greatly depending upon the reputation of the institute and its genre. Like it can be anywhere between Rs 30,000 to Rs 1 lakh per annum in a government institute, and the fee for the same course in the private institute can be anywhere between Rs 2 lakh to 4 lakhs per annum. Now let me tell you about some of the top M.Sc Microbiology institutes of India. If you are looking for some of the best government microbiology institutes, then you can go for Delhi University, Delhi, Punjab University, Chandigarh, and Jamia Millia Islamia University, Delhi. And if you want to join some of the best private microbiology institutes, then you can go for Chandigarh University, Punjab, Amity University, Noida, Lovely Professional University, Jalandhar, and Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore. Now the most important question that can strike your mind, that is, what are the career prospects and job opportunities after M.Sc Microbiology course? There is an abundance of work opportunities for M.Sc Microbiology degree holders. In recent years, microbiology as a field has seen radical development. A variety of fields are opening up for microbiology postgraduates such as food industries, pharmaceutical industries, hospitals, chemical industries, and research and development organizations due to rapid growth of this industry. M.Sc Microbiology degree holders have prospects both in public and private sectors. Industries such as the food processing industry, laboratories, the fertilizer industry, the dairy industry, biochemical plants, government hospitals, research firms, water processing plants, and agricultural companies provide opportunities in the public sector. In private sector, the opportunities lie in drug discovery units, food processing industry, biological plants, formulation research firms, private hospitals, pharmaceutical companies, clinical research units, cosmetic industry, bottling plant and analytical development sector, etc. Pursuing M.Phil and PhD in microbiology or related area can be other option that can help one to establish in the field of education and work as an educationist or researcher. Another avenue for M.Sc Microbiology postgraduates is self-employment. They can set up their own laboratories or research facilities. After completion of your M.Sc Microbiology, you can work as a microbiologist, nutritionist in the field of microbiology, project assistant, research analyst, microbiology lab technician, clinical research associate, and lecturer or professor, and so on. Some of the recruiters that you can think of joining after completing your M.Sc Microbiology are Accenture, Cipla Inc., Mascot International, Cyron Technology Private Limited, Lakshmi Life Sciences Limited, Panacea Biotech Limited, Serum Institute of India and Glaxo, etc. Now the most eagerly asked question, and that question is, what are the expected pay packages or salary after doing M.Sc Microbiology course? The microbiology graduate salary or pay package varies significantly depending on the type of work that the applicant has taken up and also on the basis of an individual seniority, skill set and experience. Fresh microbiology graduates can, however, expect to work with a relevant firm anywhere from 3 lakh to 5 lakhs per annum. The wage for experienced professionals, however, goes up to 6 to 9 lakhs per annum, and it can increase many after some knowledge and experience in the field. So guys, that is all about Masters of Science in Microbiology course. I hope you like this video. If it is really so, please hit the like button. For getting regular notification, please subscribe Target Study YouTube channel. We will be back with some more videos on such informative topics. Thank you for watching. We will be back with some more videos on such informative topics. Thank you for watching.